In this video, I am gonna teach you how to solve this 2 into 2 Rubik's Cube. It's a beginner's method. So for that, let's build up the first layer, which is the white. So now it became 2. Let's make it 3. It's pretty easy. And now here we have 3 whites. For the last white, we should follow this algorithm. So you may get this white part here, here, here or here. So now I have it here. Then for that, let's follow this algorithm. Right inverted and back, down, so now it's not here, it's here now. So for that, let's follow that algorithm again. So friends, now it's here. So for that, you may not follow that algorithm. You could just down and down. So now the white side is solved. Now let's move on for solving the upper layer. Now these two are already solved. So if you have none like this at the upper layer, then do this algorithm again. Down, up, down, up, and up. So friends, now you could see that the upper layer has been solved. Now let's move on for solving the yellow layer, which is at the bottom of the white. So for that, now I have yellow ones, 2 yellow ones and 2 blue ones. So ignore that blue, any color could be there. Now I have 2 yellows. You may have 1 yellow like this, or no yellows, or all yellows are finished. So now I have 2 yellows. For that, let's do this algorithm. Up, down, up twice and down. The white side is still solved. And now we have 2 again. So let's get it to the bottom left corner. And now do it again. Up, down, up twice and down. Do this algorithm again. 2 times and again. Do it again. Now I have 1. Let's get it to the left bottom corner and do it again. Now I have the yellow one here. Let's get it to left bottom corner and do it again. And then your yellow side will be solved. And check if you could just do like this. Take that matching side away from you and the yellow side up facing up. So you wanna just perform this following algorithm. Right inverted, face clockwise, right inverted, back counterclockwise twice, right front counterclockwise, right back side twice, right twice, back side counterclockwise twice, and then friends, your cube will be solved. Wow! So friends, if you didn't get this cube solved, then perform the algorithm again. After you get the matching side, take that opposite and do that algorithm again. So friends, bye, thumbs up.